Hello, everybody. This is match
Hi.
55, and today's match is one of the most awaited match in the often last few days. I mean, DC versus RCB, and lots in stake for both the teams. A lot of calculations happening back with the other teams who are inching for that third and fourth position
Potential
slot.
qualifiers, yeah.
Yes, yes. No, I think we are the 55th match today, and still the playoffs are undecided. So we are discussing this RCB versus DC. We have Kriti, Mustafa, and Mayuresh today with us. Hi guys.
Hi, guys.
Hi
Great.
guys.
So
Hello.
hello. So for viewers who have been seeing for the first time, this is very simple. In the Play CKC predictions, we ask six big predictions to these experts, and we take their views, their opinions, and without wasting any further time, let me jump into the questions. So, I'll start this with you, Kriti. DC versus RCB. Just before I begin the question, what's your thought? How has been your predictions for this match? Quick one liner to
So,
hear from you.
see, it's very hard to decide. Delhi Capitals is my home team,
Okay.
Dil se Delhi wali, and Bangalore team is my home team because I'm living in Bangalore, and it's really
Right.
hard to decide. But if I and it, I won't be able to pick maybe and even until the I don't know, I won't be able to pick a team until the end of the match when one team actually wins and one loses. So
Okay. That's interesting.
you actually picked the wrong person to ask this question. Ah, Baba
Fine.
re.
I think it's a
I
very
knew this
interesting
dilemma
match
in you. I knew this
because
dilemma in you.
even
Yeah,
if
yeah,
one of the
Mustafa.
team loses the match, they still hold the chance to qualify for the finals, right?
Yes,
The calculations are
absolutely.
for teams that if we lose, we have to lose by a very small margin because
Yes,
Hyderabad is sneaking in there with their extremely high net run rate. KKR
true.
has it doesn't have a good run rate, but if one of these teams loses, their net run rate goes below par. It's I think minus
Yes,
1.149 and 153. Very small difference between both the teams.
true.
And
Yes,
KKR stands on minus 1.7 or 6, I guess. So
No,
that
no, no.
difference,
I think RCB is minus 0. I think the difference between KKR DC is minus 0.5 and KKR and RCB is minus I think 0.06.
yeah.
0.06.
So zero point zero zero six. That's the kind of
Right.
differences we are
It's
looking at.
very close.
So
It's very
I
close.
think
It's
even
very
after the
simple
match
today, I think.
ends, there will be a lot of calculations that need to be done to see who has qualified. But I think DC and RCB, if we have a very competitive match, both should qualify. I think they do deserve to qualify.
Yes.
But we won't know until the match happens. It's going to be a very exciting
Great.
match because there's going to be a lot of pressure, all the players playing. So we're going to see some good cricket today, I'm guessing.
Great. Excellent. So I'll go to the first question to you, Kriti.
Oh, okay, Abhishek, before you go to the first question, just one point.
Yes.
I think today's
Yes.
match makes me remember a match in the inaugural 2020 between India and South Africa, where the loser
Right.
had to lose with the minimum margin. And I think that's why it makes most interesting match. Yeah, you
Yes.
can.
Very true. I think the margin is today 20 runs or 12 balls. Whichever team is winning or losing, that's the very small margin we are talking about.
Yeah.
So, okay, I'll not waste any more time. The first question: what will be the first inning score today? This is for you, Kriti. Less than 160, 160 to 170, or it'll be a 170 plus game.
Ooh la la. Um, I am going to say 160 to 170.
Okay.
Because that has been the usual. If I'm not wrong, that has been the usual score in Abu Dhabi Stadium
Abu Dhabi.
lately. So,
Right.
considering that, hoping that it won't slow down further, and we'll see at least 160 to 170.
I think 160 to 170 is a safe score. Any team between that score will bank on their bowlers to defend that. Mustafa, what about you?
So I feel like, see, the net run rate is involved today. The score is very essential. So I feel like it has to be a 170 plus score. Because in order to win by a margin of 20 runs or defend by 12 balls or win by 12 balls to spare, you need to have a big score. Either you're defending or chasing. In both cases, you want to have a big score. If I have 170, and even if I lose in the last over, it's going to be okay with me, right?
True.
Both teams will qualify in that case. But in order to have a high net run rate, to win by 12 balls, if I have a 170 plus score, winning by 12 balls is going to be difficult, and chasing it at that rate is going to be difficult in general. So I feel like both the teams, no matter what, they want to pocket up a big score. If it's going to be a small score match, then I think the net run rate is not going to be very much applicable to it, and taking it to the last over for the defending team. But the small score is going to be very difficult because they will try to finish it off before the last overs, right? 18th over target today. We want to,
Right.
whichever team is chasing will be done in 18th over. That is what they are looking after. So I think that
Exactly.
for that reason, 170 plus score is essential.
I think very valid point. I think the traditional way is what we used to say, win the toss, bat first, get a big score on the board, and let your bowlers do the thing. Right. Very
Generally,
well.
chasing teams are winning, but today I feel like you have to, if you are really wanting to qualify in the first two. See, now it's not just a battle between qualification of first four, right? It's the first two teams who are
First
going to
two
be that
teams.
first two teams, because they get a second chance to get to the finals, right? So DC and RCB are not just looking to qualify; they're looking to qualify in that second, right? And both have equal amount of chances, since the net run rate is slightly very less, right? Between the difference is very, very less.
Very
So I
true.
feel like both have to take authority. They have to win the toss, go to bat, and put up a big score so that they can defend it easily.
Very, 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 very well said. Mayuresh, what about you?
I'll go with 170 plus. Since it's Abu Dhabi and last 2 or 3 matches, teams have scored consistently above 170. So I'll go with 170 above. And whatever Mustafa said, high pressure match, you need to score big. So I agree with him, and I'll go with 170 plus.
True, true. I think 170, makes the batting team confident, and with that whole ratio of 12 balls, so ideally the second innings will be of 18 over for the team bowling.
Yeah.
So very, very, very well said. So the second question, I'll start you with Mayuresh with you. The next question is, which RCB seamer will have the lowest economy rate? Will it be Morris, Navdeep Saini, or Mohammad Siraj?
I think it's a straightforward. I'll go with Chris Morris. He has been consistently performing. Navdeep Sani, he will be very close to Morris, but I think I'll go with Morris because of his expertise, experience bowling in the death over and in the power play. So it will be there. Siraj, I don't know which Siraj will come up, whether it will be the Siraj against the KKR or it's a Siraj which will give the runs, boundary
Right.
ball every yeah.
Fair point. Fair point. Mustafa?
See, it's a tough choice between Saini and Morris because I think both of them have been performing very well. Saini also has been performing really well for Bangalore. I think a couple of matches when they didn't have him, they were actually missing him in the side. So I feel Saini also has a big role to play. Siraj, I think, is a sort of an X factor. Like on some days he will work and he will get you wickets also. But on some days he can be really thrashed for a lot of runs, right?
Lot of runs,
Like
right.
it's not like a short thing. He might or might not perform. So I think the safer bet is Saini or Chris Morris. And out of them, I think Morris just has so much experience for such a high pressure game. Morris has played
Right.
for South Africa in high pressure tournaments, right? So I feel Morris has to bring his aim game, and if RCB has to do well in the bowling side, it has to be Morris who has to shine through. So I feel
I think very well put. I think these sort of situations, South Africa as a cricket team has been very consistent. You talk about
Exactly.
any major tournaments, World Cups, South Africa has always been in such situations. So yes, I think hope Morris brings that. Kriti, what about you? What's your prediction? You're on mute.
Kriti, you're on mute.
Sorry, yeah, I realized after I started chattering. I'm going to say I'm saying that it's going to be for me it's a tie between Chris Morris and Navdeep Saini, and considering that two of the panelists or other two of the experts have already picked Chris Morris, I being the 71, I'm going to go with Navdeep Saini.
Okay,
Okay, the
great.
Indian choice.
Interesting,
Yeah,
interesting. I
yeah.
think
Yeah,
great.
see, you guys are experts. I am Senti.
Fair. I think you've chosen a very fair one, Kriti, because
Yeah, it
I
can
was
go
just
either way. I'm telling you, both of them
yes,
are good bowlers.
true. Yesterday I was just looking at the IPL website for some stats, and I think Saini does feature in the top 30 because see for RCB the biggest strength has been Chahal and Sundar who are featuring less than 7 in
Yes,
their net run in their economy rate. The
correct.
fast bowlers haven't, so I think it'll be between either Saini or Morris. Let's see. Who knows? Siraj has a good day today. All right. So the third question, I'll start with you, Kriti, this time. How many wickets will fall in today's match? I'm talking about overall wickets, both the innings. Is it less than 9, 9 to 12, or we'll see 12 plus today? Kriti.
हाँ, सुना मैं सोच
हाँ
रही हूँ, मैं दिमाग के
ठीक है,
घोड़े
नहीं
दौड़ा
आप
रही हूँ
म्यूट पे थे, आई
बहुत
जस्ट
जोर जोर
रिमाइंडेड यू दैट.
से. Yeah, um, it's a tough one. बहुत गलत सवाल है ये, स्पेशली मेरे
चलो
लिए.
आपको मैं थोड़ा हेल्प कर देता हूँ. आई थिंक
Okay,
आज
I
के
will
मैच
go.
में आपको थोड़ा हेल्प कर देता हूँ. आज के मैच में सभी ने शुरू में बात किया, मुस्तफा ने भी, मयूरेश ने भी. आई थिंक आज का मैच बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रहेगा लास्ट में बिकॉज
Exactly.
12 रन या 20 रन या उसकी एवरेज में रहेगा. सो आई थिंक उससे
False.
आप थोड़ा हिंट ले सकते
False.
हैं कि आपका आंसर क्या होने वाला है.
Okay. I thank you. I am I am going to go with under 9.
Under 9. Okay, that's interesting.
Okay, great.
You're saying this will be an under 9. Okay, Mustafa, what's your take?
See, I feel like RCB, if you see their scorecards in the last few games, they've consistently been losing this 6 wickets. If you see maximum number of their matches, you will see 6 wickets have
6
fallen
wickets.
in all their matches. Whether they've lost or they've won, those 6 is their magic, but I think at which they get stuck in terms of batting performance. So 6, and so I feel like under 9 might get a little difficult since it's a competing match, but also I'm looking at a high scoring. So I want to say under 9, but I feel like it's going to be between that 9 to 12 ka ratio. I think that is a
9 to
safe spot.
12?
Yeah,
So you're not saying there's going to be one team who gets
six
all out.
wickets on either side, or one side may supersede the other side. So more wickets on one side, less wickets on the other side. So
Interesting.
I think 9 to 12 is.
All right. What about you, Marish?
I'm going to go with 12 plus because it's a high pressure match, and it's like I think whoever bats first he is going to go all out, or whoever is going to chase also is going to go all out. So I think we may see more wickets in this match. Maybe I'm going to go with 12 plus.
Fair.
I feel like if it's going to be a landslide victory, then obviously it has to be over 12
more than
wickets
12.
on both ends. But I feel it's going to be I don't think anyone is going to give up. So I feel like that is why I'm going with 9 to 9. I feel like they both are going to put in a good fight.
Nice. So I was reading this question, मेरे दिमाग में चल रहा था कि I think the team batting second, उन पे बहुत प्रेशर रहेगा. When they're chasing, either उनका landslide or they win it by like 7 wickets or 6 wickets in hand.
Yeah.
So the second innings will be crucial. Great, interesting. So Mahesh, अगला सवाल I'll start with you, and here we are talking about face off. Two big face off. One is Virat Kohli versus Kasiko Rabada, and the second face off we're talking about Shreyas Iyer and Chahal. So which face off will see a high score? कौन सा face off में ज्यादा रन बनेंगे?
I think Rabada versus Kohli is a tough one. Because I know maybe looking at RCB, Kohli is coming very early, so he will be facing Rabada in the power play overs, and it looks very tough. I don't because both will be under pressure. Kohli has not performed for last 2 matches. Similarly, Rabada has not taken wickets in last 2 matches. But I'll go with Rabada. I think for this match, and other Shreyas Iyer versus Chahal. I know Chahal is in a good form. He looks good, and so that's why I'll go with Chahal. I think Chahal will come on the top.
Okay, fine. What about you, Mustafa?
So I think tough task. Rabada also has to make a comeback, right? Since he was the purple cap holder now, Bumrah has taken him over since he did not take any wickets in the last 2 matches, right? So there's a high pressure on him. Kohli has not performed since 2 matches because of which the team also is losing. I think Kohli and De Villiers both have not been able to perform in the last 2 matches because of which they've lost those games also, right? Because those two are the winning factors in their chase or in putting up a big total. So Virat Kohli point to prove. Shreyas Iyer again as a captain, he has to prove himself. I think he's proved himself already in the tournament, but I feel he has to make a statement, and he is not in form. So I think all these three players are not at fault. Chahal is the only one who is in
Who is
form, right? Like
consistent.
वो तो ले रहा है, wicket भी ले रहा है, economic संभाल रहा है. So I think in the Chahal and Iyer sort of a face-off, Chahal might come out on top, so we won't see a lot of runs being scored by Iyer. He might not take the wicket, but at least he will keep the runs down for sure. Iyer might not be targeting him as much as he will target the fast bowlers like Siraj and other guys. They will be looking to target those bowlers more. So I would say Kohli, but again in Kohli Rabada, I feel like it's going to be a tough one because also we don't know who's going to open, right, for RCB. It might be Phillips. They might go back to Finch because the performance has not been that great. They might go back to Finch also and they might replace him. Kohli might open the batting. I don't know. I hope to see Kohli open the batting along with Padikkal. I think वही हो जाता है because their openers any one of the openers tend to get out with the first 6 overs, right? And then Kohli shows up.
Very true. Very true.
So I don't know if he can just take up the role of opening only, and I feel he can take the match home. But it's a big decision for this sort of a match. So I'm going to go with Kohli and Rabada. I feel like Kohli might get more runs than Rabada. Again,
Alright.
big match player, captain of RCB. He has to show up today.
The big man should stand up. Kriti, what about you?
Especially if it's going to be chasing, Kohli is going to have a blast. He is going to enjoy chasing.
Kohli, yeah. Rooting for Kohli. Great.
Yes, I am going to go with Kohli. In Kohli and Rabada face off, and I'm going to go with Chahal.
Alright.
तो धोखा हो जाएगा ना, दोनों आरसीबी के हैं.
दोनों RCB supporters अपने select कर लिए.
है ना, हाँ वही तो बोल रही
So
है.
basically saying RCB is going to win today.
So it's a unanimous choice, Aj. I think big day. Everybody is banking on the and it has to be. I think आप अगर विराट कोहली को देखो when he plays for India also, all these big matches when India needs, he's the one who stands. I think today definitely RCB will need Virat Kohli to stand, and Yuzvendra Chahal has been phenomenal. He's featuring in the top 10 in the economy rate along with Washington Sundar. So great. So a lot of supports I can see for RCB already. Coming to the fifth question, I'll start this time with you, Mustafa. The fifth question. This is a interesting one. हम बात कर रहे हैं दिल्ली कैपिटल्स की कैप्टन श्रेयस अय्यर की. He's been average tournament. He's had 250s this time. So what's your prediction? Will he score a 50 in today's match?
I feel yes. I think he is going to, because see, if you see Delhi Capitals batting lineup, right? Everybody is aggressive. Everybody is the aggressor. Nobody wants to play the big role. People want to come in, fire those 20-30 runs. They don't mind getting out in trying to score more than 300 plus strike rate also, right? So I feel like Iyer has to put them all back together. He has to be the anchor of the innings, while the other batsmen can come in and show up. I think Iyer ke क्या होता है, he is anchoring the innings, and plus in the last few matches it's been on him only to improve the strike rate of the match and the run rate of the match. So जब वो दोनों एक साथ करने जाता है तो फिर I think he fails there, right? Trying to score faster plus have a big innings also. That is where he's having a problem. So I feel like if one of the openers can help him with the strike rate and that run rate above, then if he can take the first 20 balls slowly, I'm pretty sure if he takes the first 20 balls slowly, after that once he's set, then it is Shreyas Iyer can play every shot in the book, right? He can play the paddle sweep, reverse sweep, he can play the genuine drives, he can do everything, right? So we know he's a very capable batsman. So I feel like he needs to, like Virat Kohli needs to do it for RCB, same way Shreyas Iyer needs to do it for Delhi Capitals.
Interesting. Yes, Mayuresh, I'll come to you. I think I'll quickly add, Muresh, and you can give your views also while answering. कि I think Delhi Capitals के लिए उनकी ओपनर और उनके लोअर मिडिल ऑर्डर में शिमरन हेटमायर और ऋषभ पंत, ये चारों जो पोजीशंस हैं काफी डाइसी रही है पूरे टूर्नामेंट में. So I think while there will be a lot of pressure on Shreyas Iyer today to perform, what's your take? Will he get a half century?
I think Shreyas Iyer will get a half century. I think this is a match. I think Iyer needs to perform. because I think he's young. He is leading this Delhi team, and if he wants to put his impression on this Delhi team, he has to score half century. Hopefully, the openers gives him a good start. And I think he, like Mustafa said, he is coming too early. There is a pressure from him to stay for longer time, plus raise the run rate. But somehow or other, I think Iyer can do this role, and I feel he will get the 15 to this match.
All right, great. Kriti, you would certainly want him to get out. Your RCB support.
No.
Okay.
As I always say, even if I'm rooting for one team, I actually want the match to be an interesting one. I want the winning team to really earn their win or victory. So and also I cannot be so outright anti home team. ना तो मतलब दिल्ली में अगली बार घुसने को नहीं मिलेगा. बहुत दिक्कत हो जाएगी. तो नहीं. Shreyas Iyer is going to score a 50.
All right. Okay.
So again, back
Unanimous
support
again.
for Delhi. Previous
Wow.
question was RCB. This question again is come back to Delhi.
So interesting है आपके आप लोग तीनों both all the three of you want Virat Kohli to perform and Shreyas Iyer to perform. So
Basically,
great.
we want everybody to be performing well and have a
Yes.
competitive match. हम लोग अच्छा खेलेंगे आज.
Absolutely. So the last question for today's predictions. This is an interesting one, and I'll start this with you, Mayuresh. Now, who will win today? Whether the defending team or the chasing team. So the team batting first will win, or the team batting second, who is chasing, will win today's match.
I am going to take a bit of very risk call, but I'm going to go with a chasing team. I think
Chasing team.
most of them, because I think Abu Dhabi hardly I've seen a team batting first seven. One was exceptional yesterday between KKR and RR, but normally we have seen the team batting second has won. The reason is a dew factor. A dew factor kicks in after 5 or 6 overs of the second innings, and it makes a batting look very easy. It happened in 2 matches between Mumbai RR and then RR and RCB also. I think that made the things easy. So I'll go with the chasing team.
All right. What about you, Kriti?
I am going to go with the defending team just because. I mean, I don't have really any logical grounds to this. Maybe because I'm helping you not waste your question.
All right, great. Thanks for that. Mustafa, what about you?
This is a very, very difficult one, honestly, because again, Kohli is there, so chasing team, if they're chasing, could win. There's the bowling lineup of DC, right, which we've talked about so highly. There's Norgay, there is Rabada, they have the spinners, so they have Akshar Patel, so they've all performed well. The bowlers of RCB side have been a little weaker in the pace department, not in the spin department. Spin department they have aces, but in the fast department, in the dead overs is where they let go of a few more runs. So I'm not sure. This is going to be a complete 50-50 call for me, but I'm going to be going with the defending team.
Defending team. All right.
I feel like
So
put up a big score and try to defend it.
Interesting. So I'll quickly end this with a bonus question, which I think Swapnil always asks that. I'll quickly take your views. One word, Kriti, who's your pick for today? RCB or DC?
To win the match again. You started this with me and you're ending this with me. Okay.
Yes.
RCB.
RCB. Mustafa.
So see, I feel like both the teams have never had a very great season, right, of IPL. Bangalore has come to the qualifier and have gone to the finals once before, but I feel like DC has not had a lot of chances again in the qualifiers, in the finals. So both teams deserve to be there to qualify. So I hope both teams get qualified. That is a wish and a hope that both have to qualify. Now in second spot, I really don't mind. Against Mumbai Indians, it's Delhi or it's going to be RCB. I don't mind any of the teams. I think we have MI has the capability to defeat both of the teams. So I'm not worried about as a Mumbai fan, I'm not worried about winning today's match. But I honestly feel both should be qualifying for the match. But for this one, I'm going to go with Captain Kohli. I'm going to go with
Captain Kohli and RCB. All right, 2-0. Mayuresh.
I'll go with DC. I want DC to win this match and come to the second position. I think they played much better, and I think some of the hiccups have happened with them, but I still want DC to qualify as number 2.
All right, great. Thank you so much, Kriti, Mustafa, Maresh. Lots of stakes in today's match. Winner goes to second position. The third, the loser gets tied with KKR with 14 points, and the winner of,
And
and if
Hyderabad.
SRH wins, they also, and then comes net run rate. So lots happening today's match, and plus the two captains which everybody is banking today. Thank you so much for predicting, guys, and for all your viewers, keep predicting on Play CKC and win vouchers. Thank you.
Thank you.
It's better than fantasy.
It's better than fantasy. Great. Thank you so much,
Bye, guys.
guys. Have a good day. Bye.